Now, I'm sure you all know those times when we look at photos of our children as they are growing up, get a bit of a lump in the throat, because you then realise that you don't seem to be in any of those photos, probably because you were the one always left holding the camera. Well, that's where the Canon Camera Connect app comes in really handy. You can connect with your phone with your camera in a matter of seconds, and it enables you to have full control with what's going on in front of the lens rather than being stuck behind the camera. With the Canon Camera Connect app, you can easily set up your camera in the distance, and using the screen on your phone, you're actually seeing what the camera is seeing, allowing you to position the subjects to achieve the very best shot. And once that's set, you can then operate the camera features from your phone. For example, you can control the shutter speed or even the exposure and see exactly what the camera is seeing. And then, using your phone as a remote trigger, you can shoot as many shots as you like. The images are also available on your phone, so you can then instantly upload to Facebook or Instagram and share those special moments with family, friends, and all your followers.